cam seals, crank seal, valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, and we got Apex.
R33 GTR and another RB block in progress.
I can put the covers on it. It looks a lot better with them on. Sometimes they look harder altogether.
How much horsepower is this gonna make?
Probably like 550. It's on HKS upgraded twins, and the motor's built. It has rods, pistons, head gasket. We just need to put the intake manifold back on and put the valve cover gaskets and the front cover back on, and then we can toss it in.
Behind me are some of the shop cars. Let's give you guys a tour. R34 Nismo seats. This Mark IV has like a crazy body kit style with like shaved door handles and old school wheels. And this made 450 on the dyno, and injectors were maxed out, stock clutch was slipping, so a few more mods in, and then they're gonna throw it back on the dyno and see what it makes after. You mentioned this was a rare color?
1 of 300. I'll put the covers on right now.
You already got them back?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Rod just came out like 5 minutes ago. I just got to see if the customer likes this color, because it's going to be the color I wanted. It's the color that I told him to do, but the video was a way different color. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, what the eye sees is not what the camera sees.
The video sees. So this looked like the same color as the car in video, and this doesn't look like the same color as the car, does it?
Let me see. No, I don't see the blue.
Not at all. In the video he sent me, it looked gorgeous blue. Brilliant blue. What color I thought it was. Wow, that looks really cool. Look at that color though.
Looks nice.
It's a really nice looking color. Let's see what it looks like in the bay. I still gotta wipe them down. And then we're gonna put the 26 spark plug valley cover thing on it. Vacuum line out of the way. There we go. Ooh, those look good. Let's put the center valley on there. Ooh, those look good. Nice. I don't know how the fuck they got that blue of a color out of the fucking goddamn video. If it would have told me that it was like a graphite gray more than a blue, I would. We just did a timing belt water pump service, cam seals, crank seal, valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, and we got Apex air filters installed.